Hi everybody, this is Max again, and today I would like to talk about this motorcycle cover that I purchased for my 2015 Vulcan 900, Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. So as you can see, I have a lot of different things put on this bike, so I want to unbox it and try it on and see how it fits. So this cover was manufactured by Nelson-Rigg, and it's called Deluxe All-Season motorcycle cover. So it says it is water resistant, it is breathable. I don't know if I'll be able to check it today, but what I want to do, I want to try it on my motorcycle. But let's take a look what we have on this box. So there is a lot of information here. So it says it is UV treated. It has ventilation, and again it says breathable here. It has heat panels on the bottom and grommets to lock it if you wish. So I purchased navy color. Let's see how it works, like how I like this color. And also I purchased extra large size. It actually says here that it should be fine for sport bikes over 1000 cc's, mid to large cruisers with windscreen and accessories. So I consider my bike mid to large size. So it's 97 inches long. It's pretty high with my windshield I put on, and I have pretty wide saddlebags with engine guards. So let's see how it works for this motorcycle. Let's take a look what's inside of this box, and let's see if it's actually has any kind of compression bag. Alright, we'll get out of the box. Don't this box anymore. We'll leave it here. Wow, that's impressive. It's really nice compression bag, and it is really a small packaging with a handle, and I'm sure it will perfectly fit inside my saddlebag. So let's take it out of this packaging, compressed packaging, and let's see how it fits my VN900. Alright, so what do we have? I tried it one way, another way. I tried to pull it from one side to another side, from front to back, from back to front. As you can see, nothing worked. So this one, Nelson-Rigg, extra large, and it actually says here, mid to large cruisers with windscreen, which I have, an accessory, I guess, my accessories, like my foot pads and all that stuff, it doesn't fit. So I thought my VN900 is a, well, you know, like mid-size, large-size motorcycle. No way. It is actually a very large motorcycle. So, but let's take a look otherwise what we have on this cover. Alright, as advertised, it has a venting system, so if it rains, water is not going to go in, but there is a mesh there and it's going to be venting. There is another one from our other side. It also says that it has this organized panel, so it covers, so it should be protected from the heat of your exhaust or engine. I don't know if it works or not. but I think it should. At least I hope so. This cover also has 1-inch security grommet, so it's pretty big, so you can use a cable or chain so you can secure it so nobody will take this cover from your motorcycle. Alright, so let's take it off, let's take a look at what we have inside, and also let's try to pack it back into its compression bag. So let's do it. Alright, actually it has soft windshield liner inside, so it's supposed to be on the front, so it's not gonna scratch or damage your windshield. So there is also elastic band all around this cover that holds it pretty solid, pretty snug on the motorcycle. So we have our cover wrap a little bit, and let's see how it works with included compression bag. So what we need to do, we need to put it inside first. Alright, so let's try it. So I put it in, and now I'm gonna just go around and pull this stripes. Alright. Alright, so I'm done with packing it back. So let's take a look what we have. And as you can see, this compression bag works really well, I think. So that part worked. Just to give an overview of this Nelson-Rigg extra large motorcycle cover. First thing, there's no way it will fit your Vulcan 900, and I guess your Vacuum or Voyager, or even 900 without windshield or saddlebags. I'm not sure. I didn't see it going all the way to cover the front wheel. But otherwise, I think the quality is pretty good. It has a few features that really make sense for a motorcycle cover. So first of all, it has windshield soft liner. It is breathable, and I hope it is actually water resistant, as it says. Also, it has snug elastic hem around to keep it tight on the motorcycle. It has 1-inch grommets, so it also has some secure banish with coated hooks, and you can also use chain or steel cable to secure on this motorcycle. Also, it has a silver heat-resistant panel to protect it from the heat from your engine or your exhaust. Overall, it looks like it's a nice cover, but as I said, there's no way it's gonna fit your VN100. Unfortunately, I guess I have to return it back or exchange. I might keep it for one of my buddies, bikers. I'm sure I can make a good gift of it. What do you think? Thank you for watching my video. If you like it or you want to subscribe for my YouTube channel and see more motorcycle related videos, you can just subscribe it right here on the bottom. Also, if you have any questions about any upgrades I need on this motorcycle, let me know. Just drop a comment. I will be happy to talk about it. And you also can see that I have this, like homemade jack or lift or stand, whatever you want to call it. I have a video describing how I made it. Just click it on this side and you can watch this video. So thanks a lot, everybody. This is Max again, and enjoy the rest of the day, night, morning, whatever you have in your part of the world. Thank you.